Officer Dave, would you open my courtroom, please?
The state of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge David S. Robinson Jr. presiding. Court is now in session. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor.
LVNV funding versus Bonita Flowers.
Sam Cermak on behalf of LVNB Funding, P85146.
Bonita Flowers is your case.
Yes, that's correct. Oh, sorry.
Let's get her in. Okay, I got it here. 054.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Good morning.
Okay, great. Good morning.
We are on the record. This is 22179-054. The file is entitled LVNV Funding versus Bonita Flowers. This appears to be our third pretrial. Your appearances.
Sam Cermak on behalf of LVNB Funding, P85146.
And what is your name, ma'am?
I am Bonita Flowers representing myself.
Okay. Where are we on our discovery? Are we done with the written discovery?
Your Honor, I just was wondering if Ms. Flowers had received the debt verification letter that we sent. It looks like we sent it at the end of May.
Your Honor, I have not received anything from the company, nor by email, nor by mail.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to then, are either of you planning to do any written discovery? This is our third pretrial here. And if we're not going to do it, so be it. I just need to know.
No, Your Honor.
What about you?
Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
She said she doesn't want to do any written discovery. What about you?
I still need the proof that I owe the debt to this particular company and the amount before I agree to anything.
Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you then one more day and I'm going to close your written discovery. If you're not going to do it, you're not going to do it. Ma'am, if you're going to represent yourself, you have an absolute constitutional right to do that. If there's things, documents or information, things like that, that you want, you're entitled to get them under the court rules, but you must act. You must do the written discovery.
I have done that, Your Honor. And I have done that, Your Honor, and they assured me that I would receive something, and I haven't. I can't control them not getting it to me in a timely manner.
Well, ma'am, if you don't get what you're entitled to, you file a motion in that regard. Does July 14 work for both of you?
Yes, Your Honor.
What day of the week is that, Your Honor?
It's a Thursday like today, ma'am.
Okay, the only issue I have is I'm about to start a new job. As of now, I was okay because I wasn't working. So I would have to take off work for this new pretrial conference or hearing. So if you're going to reschedule it, can you put it out a little longer so I can have some more time on the job before I request a day off and I'm just starting to work? And that'll give them more time to get me the documents as well.
All right, I'll add 2 weeks. Go to July 28th. Does that work for everybody?
Can you make it a Friday?
July 29th, does that work for you, Ms. Cermak? Turn your mic on.
All right, thank you. Yes, it does work.
All right, July 29th, 10 o'clock. I'm closing your written discovery as of July 28th. I'll send out an order today. Thank you both for coming in. We're off the record.
Thank you, Your Honor.
July 29th at 10 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Yes, ma'am. I don't know who that is. Ms. Schwartz,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning. I'm looking for, maybe this is her here. Good morning, counsel.
Good morning.
What file are you here on?
I'm here on the ASP Cares versus State Farm.
Okay. The case number you have listed behind your name is incorrect.
Oh, I apologize. Let me see if I can correct that.
Doesn't make a difference now. But when I'm trying to decide who I have ready to go, I look, if I have the wrong case number, I'm not going to call your case. You might want to be a little more careful about that going forward. All right, this is 21-164-260. Ask Cares Pharmacy versus State Farm, your appearances.
Rachel Schwartz, P 54947, on behalf of ASB Cares.
Caitlin Gant, P85062, on behalf of defendant State Farm.
Where are we on this file?
Your Honor, this is the one that went up to the circuit court for a review. And the circuit court finally issued their order reversing, I believe. And we're just, right, we're just trying to resolve it. I think defendant emailed me and they needed a few more documents that I'm working on getting.
Okay, what's the amount you're claiming, counsel?
The amount is, I just wrote it, $9,524.58.
You're not over. All I'm concerned about is whether you're over my jurisdictional limits.
No, I don't believe we are
Okay, good enough.
over it.
All right, then what I'll do is I'll give you guys another date and get you on out of here. July
Okay.
14th, July 14th at 10 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
Let me just check.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
10 o'clock. You know what? I have a deposition that morning and a final pretrial. Is there,
How about July 21?
sure.
That works for defense, Your Honor.
All
Thank
right, July 21, 10 o'clock. July 21, 10 o'clock will be our next pretrial. Anything else we can accomplish today?
I don't believe so.
you.
Again,
Rachel, would you mind just sending me those orders? We don't have anything that shows what was actually dispensed, like what medication was. All we just have is a non-chemotherapy.
I'm trying. I'll
okay, let's do this. I'm gonna put you guys in the chat room. so
okay, that would be great.
exactly clear with you. When you're done, just take off. I will see you guys again, July 21 at 10 o'clock, okay?
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you, Your
All right.
Honor.
Let's get this file done. All right. who we got? Council, good morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
What file do you have?
Anthony McGee,
Okay,
I'm here for Allstate.
I think I have Mr. Fowles on. Let me get you guys started.
Right.
Ms. Schwartz, you all set?
Yep, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I'll remove you. Okay, we are on the record on 21-161-887. Anthony McGee versus Allstate, date and time for pretrial appearances.
Joseph Falls on behalf of the plaintiff, Your Honor, P80521.
Morning, Your Honor. Brad Lunas on behalf of Allstate, P80528.
All right, gentlemen, did we get our deposition done?
Yes, we did, Your Honor, and we did, and we also looks like we're going to be transferring jurisdictional limits. So,
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Why are you here? I ask you guys all the time about this.
well,
I agree 100%. So let me explain because it's on
I'm
my.
sure it's a good one because you're the plaintiff.
That's exactly it. So last week, I think it was either last week or the week before, Your Honor, a bill came in from a facility called American Physio. If you look at the bill, it showed that there was a $25,000 balance. And at the bottom of the bill, it then said negative 25,000 and that the actual balance was zero. So when it was put into my system, I didn't think anything of it because the bill indicated that it was paid in full. We had a call from the biller for that facility because we always send a letter that says, thank you for your bill. It appears it's paid in full. You don't need to be included in the lawsuit. If you have any further billing, please let us know and we protect it. The biller then called us and said, no, it's a $25,000 bill. And I go, oh, that's impossible. It says zero. To which they explain that that's just how their program works when they send it to an insurance company.
Well, gentlemen, I can't tell you how much I enjoyed spending time on a case that should have never been here. So what I'll do is how long Mr. Fowles on will it be before I get your order to transfer?
We signed it. We did the stipulated order yesterday and submitted it or mailed it yesterday as
This
well.
is somewhere in the mail.
Yes, sir. I
Okay,
didn't want to waste any time because that's not.
okay. Well, gentlemen, thanks for coming in. We're done. I will, when I get your order, we'll enter it and then you guys can go off to the circuit court.
Thank you, sir.
thank you, Your Honor.
Let's be safe out there.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
This is 22-180-899, Vital Community Care versus City Detroit. Date and time for pretrial, your respective appearances.
Your Honor, Jamal Hamoud appearing on behalf of the plaintiff in this matter.
Bar number,
Oh, I'm sorry, P number 40442.
Mr. Patterson,
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Patterson on behalf of defendant City of Detroit, P number 85118.
Mr. Hamoud, have you achieved service on the new defendant, National General Insurance?
We have, Your Honor. They were served on May 31st. They have not yet answered.
Still inside of their time to answer.
Correct.
Yeah, okay. Well, we can't do anything unless you're prepared to let Mr. Patterson out today. I mean, it's a
That would be wonderful.
only one person can be responsible. There's only one baby daddy. Come on.
That's true. That is true, Your Honor. I just can't.
There's only one.
I just can't do a paternity test today, though.
Okay, let's have you guys back July 14th. July 14th at 10 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
Yes, Your Honor.
One moment, Your Honor. Just double check. That should be fine, Your Honor.
All right, July 14th at 10 o'clock. Mr. Hamud, if you would send a copy of the notice to whoever appears, but if they appear before that time.
Will do, Your Honor.
All right, thanks, gentlemen. Let's be safe
Thank
out
you.
there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Very impressive background, Mr. Hamud.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Next question is, did you read all those books?
I did.
I'm really impressed.
Yeah.
Be safe, guys.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Always good hearing from you. Love to hear from you this year. You can also call the number and register to win. We're not just gonna have you like stand on the Pepsi. Cheap seats. It's like we're talking about Dave Wagner going to be there, all of your friends. July 15th, it's a Tuesday night, 7:10, first pitch. And again, we'll be there. 866-909-9725. And we decided, since this kind of the last time, the socks, and also the
Georgetown, the Cleveland Orchestra, and the Symphony No. 7 and 8. Support for WRCJ is provided by the Detroit chapter of the American Guild of Artists, which was founded in 1910 and regularly presents and educational programs for the EGO membership and for the community. The American Guild of Artists is a professional organization serving the talented men and women who perform on pipe organs and provide organ music houses of worship and concert halls. Information at the EGO.com and the Detroit chapter of the American Guild of Artists underwent complaint agreements under Sunday to the 4 p.m. here on the radio. In operation of WRCJ. Those of you listening right now, thank you so very much for your pledges that have come in and the pledge that you're going to make this morning as we wrap up our year-end reminder of you. You're doing a great job. Thank you so much for your calls and clicks this morning. Coming in loud and clear, supporting, strongly supporting. It's Detroit's only jazz music station. We play music all the time. Thanks to Michael from Ypsilanti and Donna from Canton, Kathleen from Plymouth, and Richard from Township. They just made their pledges at WRCJ FM. And Phil has called in from Parts 2. Thank you very much. We've also, that's been busy today. It's been delayed. Thank you so much for calling. Today's date sponsor is Cynthia in honor of her husband, Robert Edith. Yes, we have a day sponsor available each and every day. We'll protect you just one day. So we reserve this, and sometimes people reserve them each and every year. The fills up. So in this case, Cynthia is remembering a very special person. They just want to remember your grandma. So people call me and dedicate the day to their canine or feline. As creative as you can be, you work just fine for us. Our day sponsorship membership at WRCJ for $250. Fill up this calendar and share your special day. Get it on the calendar, get your message on the radio, and keep the classical music here. 866-909-9725. 866-909-9725. This last day of our fiscal year ending campaign. We started the day before yesterday. We're done today. So make that call now. 866-909-9725. Which also gets you in for the drawing tomorrow. Want everyone to really have a chance at this, and you can. All you have to do is call the number 866-909-9725. What a special night for you, and also like your friends, because we have the last parish executive suite at American Park tonight, July 15th, when the Tigers take on the Cleveland Gardens. I'm going to be there. I hope you and your friends will be there. But you can't win unless you register. Oh, you know what? Also, yesterday, I don't think we mentioned this yesterday. And we are happy to leave. And we are in the Lance parish. Yes, next parish. Great catchers. Stuff we do. So let's all celebrate together. We wanted to do something very, very special. This was, this is open to everyone. That's pretty good. That's a good idea. Yeah. So that I'm all 866. They told me this morning, reminding people that this is the last go around for the shots. Yeah. And our combo. Yeah. Right. The actual bottle had 60 dollars. Love the socks. Socks and Beethoven socks. $75 for those. We've got the emergency crank radio, which we went to use yesterday. Oh, yeah, show you how it's done. $150. So if you like all those three gifts, you have a total $285 in all. But we're gonna put it together for $20 a month. It's with the WRCJ flashlight, phone charger, weather band, and it does all the things. And also the dashboard button that emphasizes not 285. 240, 20 bucks a month. That's it, 20 bucks a month. 866-9099. Number right now, we're gonna say thank you, and so will NATO. Some dance music literally or social engagement. 16 minutes before the change in Detroit, I take like here with the music alone. Seconds, big storms. Yeah, around it. Bang. 81 Fahrenheit. It's gonna be really. It's left behind some alcohol. Temperature today back to this last night 16. Sunshine tomorrow. But you can just brings to mind really this is if you don't have consider the work. The better if you find them to solar panel. When if the power goes up, let's face it. Sometime this summer, you're going to this is hopefully very short. Yesterday was perfectly fine. Staying on the air with a flashlight. Yeah, somebody did an oops outside, hit a line, doing some digging. No big. We have to do emergency. Just grab it. 866-909-9725 still your and also a chance to register to joins tomorrow is Tuesday night, July 5th at 17. Guardians are going to be there. The Detroit Tigers are going to be there. Purchase is necessary. 866-909-9725. We're going to wrap up this hour of Beethoven with this from Symphony.
We're looking at the free press. Morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Judge.
On the record, file number 211719118. Amir Imez Weshera Oliver versus Stephen Edward Paulson and a Bearded Builder LLC. Date and time for pretrial, your respective appearances.
Alex Green the fourth, PA 2657, here on behalf of plaintiff Weshera Imez Oliver.
Good morning, Judge Peter Kavanaugh, P 53537 on behalf of the defendants.
Okay. My first question, did we accomplish our deposition on the 14th of June?
No, Judge.
What happened?
Your Honor, my client had a death in his family. The aunt that raised him, he's had to leave town the week we were supposed to have the deposition.
Okay,
And so
I'm confused. Your client was not the deponent, was he?
he is going to be one
He
of
was
the
the deponent,
deponents.
okay.
Yes. So we were going to have them both on the same date, and he's going to be out of town. He is out of town right now, and will be for the next couple of weeks. So the aunt that raised him died suddenly.
What about the other deposition? Are you guys taking any other depositions?
We had planned, Your Honor, to have Mr. Paulson deposed the same day as Mr. Oliver, not only to conserve our time, but also on the off chance that putting the two parties together might allow for settlement discussion. And I did not have a problem, given what I was told about Mr. Oliver's death, adjourning both depositions. We had set them for the same time consecutively. And so I did not object to rescheduling. We have not rescheduled, but I don't anticipate there'd be a problem finding common dates.
Well, then what I'm going to do is I'm just in a position at this point, I can't do anything. Your client, you said, is going to be out, Mr. Green, a couple more weeks.
Yes.
All right, so I'll give you guys a return date of July 14th. That's more than 2 weeks. So at minimum, if you have not accomplished the depositions the next time I see you, I expect them to be scheduled.
Understood.
Is there anything else we can accomplish today?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, then we'll see you guys again, July 14th at 11 o'clock. Let's be safe.
You too. Thank you.
All right, thanks for coming in.
Mhm.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello?
Yes.
No, I see you, Mr. Carson. Thank you. I'm talking to the other side. Hello? They have not apparently logged in here. Let's try it again. Hello? Who's a telephone ending in 086?
Oh, that's me. Sorry about that.
Oh, you are both of those things?
Yeah, hold on. Let me hang up on that.
Oh, okay. Then I don't have the other side as of yet. Okay, so I'll put you back in the waiting room then. Mr. Lakin.
Good morning, Judge. I'm sorry I'm late. I've been in another hearing. It's still going on, but I put them on hold for a few.
Ms. Carson, can you hear me? I see her. Ms. Carson? There we go. She's connecting to audio now. Ms. Carson?
Yes.
Okay, I have everybody finally. Let's call your case. We are on the record calling 22-180369. Monique Carson versus Bobby's Towing, your respective appearances.
Mark Lakin for Bobby's Towing.
Bar number.
P41147.
And your name, ma'am?
Monique Carson.
Okay, where are we on this file, people? Our discovery's been open for a while. Are we done with our written discovery?
I believe we are.
How about you, Ms. Carson? Are you going to do any more written discovery?
At this time, yes.
Okay, when are you going to do it?
Mine would be that, well, I didn't know there was a written discovery to put it on there, but.
Yeah, I opened written discovery on this file back on April 21st. And we've had a pretrial in the interim. So the idea was to get started on our written discovery. We had a pretrial on May 19th. And now here we are, second pretrial. So what I'll do, I guess I'm going to give you one more pretrial, but if you aren't going to do written discovery, I'm going to close it. All right, does July 14th, Mr. Lincoln?
Yeah, my only comment is, ma'am, do you want to close this matter? Because I can assure you that Bobby's Towing had authority and told to tow your vehicle. You don't really have a claim against Bobby's Towing. I'm not saying you can't go against the Detroit Police Department for falsely doing something to you. I'm not making that claim. You may have a valid claim, but against Bobby's Towing, you understand they have a contractual obligation to do what the police tell them to do and in order to do it.
Okay, I had placed a sheet of paper telling exactly what happened that day. Did you receive that paper?
I'm sure we did. I'm sure we did. But my point is, your complaint is not against the towing company. The towing company is just the people that are doing their job.
No,
they're not picking and choosing to, they don't make the decision to go and tow your car. You understand?
The decision for towing my car was no reason because my car was parked. They took my keys out of my pocket and falsely gave them to somebody else. That is still in my car. They stole my car.
I know, I understand, but that's the police, not Bobby's Towing, correct?
The police did not steal my car. My car was parked across the street at the Harlem's parking lot. I was standing at the gas station here at the Citco, and I was getting gas.
I understand, but did Bobby's Towing, what did they do wrong to you?
Bobby's Towing took and put my car on the back of their towing truck, and they hauled my car away. There was this car is registered. It's contracted with a credit repair person. And because of that, I could not pay my car payment. I had to pay the towing fee to get the car out. I was refused to get the car out when I got the car out. There was no reason, there was no contract with the police officers to take a car that was parked.
Okay, so ma'am, if I show you an order from the police to tow that car, will you just dismiss this case?
No,
Okay,
because there was no reason.
We aren't going anywhere.
Yeah, I see that.
I'm going to give you one more day. Next day with me is July 14th. July 14th. Your written discovery will close on July 13th. After that, if you're going to file any dispositive motions, you'll be in position to do that.
Thank you.
July 14th at 11 o'clock. Work for everybody?
Yes. Thank you, Judge. Nice seeing you.
Ms. Carson, that work for you?
9/14?
No, ma'am. July 14th. That'll be 7/14.
July 14th at 11 o'clock.
7/14, July 14th at 11 o'clock. Thank you.
And I have my discovery. Thank you.
I'm sorry? Discovery will
And to have
close
my
on, discovery will close on July 13th. So if you want to do any written discovery, ma'am, you need to get started on it.
Okay, I'm gonna do a written discovery.
Thank you for coming in.
Thank you.
We're all off the record. Let's be safe out here.
And she can reach out to me at any time if she has any questions, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I can do that.
Thank you.
All
Bye-bye.
right, thank you. All right.